guys? How are you doing? This is a little different than what I normally do. Um, I'm basically letting you know. I'm basically going, to cut to the chase, guys. I'm just going to let you know what's coming. I'm not going to prate it up. I'm not going to dress it up. I'm just going to tell you how it is. We are in for 200 years of famine. Um, Probably wondering where I get this information from. I enjoy reading. I love reading about the Mayans. I love reading about the Aztecs, the Atlanteans, past civilization. And there's a cyclical cycle that happened to our solar system. And at the end of our cyclical cycle that we have with a binary sun and 7 planets and 4 moons, those civilizations vanish off the face of the earth. First civilization to ever come out of the Stone Age, actually not the Stone Age, the Ice Age, 11,000 years ago, the Atlanteans. Um, they experienced a lot of flooding because the ice glacier was melting. The planet was going through something that they're not used to seeing. Hence what we are going through right now. But they had more ice to deal with. It completely wiped away their civilization. That civilization was actually located, the Atlanteans, north of Africa, where Spain and Africa used to be joined. Most of it was basically in Africa. That area we have the ocean from Africa to Europe over to Spain, right there was one of Atlantean major cities. They also used the Caribbean for shipping ports. They were all over the Caribbean. So basically, what we're doing now, they have done it. They have found computer motherboard off the coast of North Africa that belongs to the Atlantean. My point is, guys, we are the new Atlanteans. The Atlanteans went through hunger, a famine, a process where they were faced for hundreds of years, famine, and it wiped out their civilization. Now, when it decreases the civilization, it formed a new civilization. So what came out of the Atlanteans was the Aztecs. Aztecs is a civilization that came from the Atlanteans and also the Atlants. They actually migrated from Spain all the way over to Mexico, Central America, where the Atlant turned into the Mayan civilization. It was first the Atlant civilization, then turned into the Mayan civilization a couple thousand years later. My point is, guys, everything is cyclical. What they went through, we are going to go through the same thing. All right. Yes, I foresee 200 years of famine where we're going to have problem with finding food. I did my due diligence a couple of days ago and I saw that 275 million people are actually having problem around the world. It's a global number, having problem finding food, meaning they go to bed starving. And this increase by 13.7 million every year. Now, can you imagine this pattern lasting for 200 years? Now you see why human civilization become extinct at one point. Will become extinct at one point. And I wouldn't say extinct, but highly depopulated. And a new civilization will form out of it. So what I'm trying to say, folks, is that what's happening, we can't stop it. So it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. You complain about it because I'm not complaining about it. I'm actually very happy. I'm happy to be alive to see it. I'm happy to be alive to see that we are in a apocalyptic time that people will talk about for thousands of years to come. I'm blessed to see it because people are going to be writing books about this time that I'm living right now, about these events. They're going to be talked about in churches, museums, schools. People are going to be talk about this for thousands of years to come. Why shouldn't I be grateful to be living in this time? But it also come with, there's two sides to this coin. It's an apocalyptic time where certain things are going to happen that are apocalyptic, where events, natural disasters, sightings in the sky, we're going to see that we're not accustomed to. They're talked about in the Bible. They're talked about in on stone tablets. They're talked about in prophecies by these authors, these prophets. They talked about these things. We're actually living it, witnessing everything that was prophesied to us that will happen. It's unfolding because we're at the end of our cycle, our 3,654 year cycle. This is what comes with it, right? We have great famine ahead of us. I'm not telling you this to scare you. By telling you this, you know how to position yourself properly. Make sure if you already decide to purchase any land, and if you can't plant food on it, don't buy it. What's the point? You have to put yourself and your future generation in a position that they can survive the coming famine. Yes, we have a famine ahead of us. Yes, we do. By the way, it already started. We're going to see earthquake to the liking we have never seen before. Look what's happening in Spain with those fires. This is going to be a common thing all over the world. We're going to see flood on a scale we have never seen before. We're going to see hurricane on a scale we have never seen before. We're going to see tornado on a scale we have never seen before. Earth is in chaos. Or another way I can say, Earth is going through a rebirth / Earth is in chaos. Before you can have something new, you have to first destroy the existing one. And that's what Earth is doing right now because of electromagnetic disturbances. We're being affected by a binary sun with 7 planets, 4 moon, and it happened every 3,654 years. The gravitational pull from that sun is what is the reason for everything that's going on our planet. It's the reason for the volcano. It's the reason for the earthquakes. It's the reason for the famine, the coming famine. It is the reason for the war. It is the reason for the Rona. Yes, I said it. I used the word Rona. I'm not going to say the whole word because we know why they came up with Rona. It is the reason for everything is in the sky. That binary star. It's the reason for everything that we're going through right now. And this is what comes with it. By knowing this, you can prepare yourself, prepare your future generation to handle what's coming. Because not a lot of people are going to be able to handle it. First of all, they don't even want to believe it. So if you don't want to believe it, how are you going to prepare yourself for it if you don't believe it? That's the crazy part. You can't. You can't be prepared because you don't even believe in it. This is our reality. There's nothing we can do to stop it. We just have to learn to ride the waves, folks. Earth is in chaos. Stay ready instead of getting ready, okay? Stay aware and be aware of your surroundings and know what's happening.